Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my darling little home. Today we're gonna transform these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree into these stacked pumpkins. Aren't they beautiful? So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 3 pumpkins. I picked these 2 from the Dollar Tree. One is shorter than the other one. And this one's from Hobby Lobby. And we're gonna use chalk paint. I'm using the color crystal, ivory, and celery. A brush. You're also gonna need a glue gun and some leaves. You can also use the leaves that you're gonna take off from the pumpkins. Remove the tops carefully. Especially if you want to use those leaves. Stack them up however you think you're gonna like it. Figure it out. And then choose your colors. In this case, I'm doing the blue one in the bottom, the green one in the middle, and the cream one in the top. I'm putting a toothpick on the top to help me grab it while I paint it. So I paint my pumpkins. I did 3 coats each. Chalk paint dries up really quick, so it doesn't take that long. So do 3 coats each. And let them dry. While they dry, I'm working on my leaves and getting them ready. If you're gonna use those, get them ready too. So now here I'm deciding how I want my pumpkins, and I'm gluing the leaves on the top of the pumpkins. You can also do flowers or bows. That is up to you. So now I'm gluing the middle one. And I'm adding more leaves in between. I'm also adding a little leaf on top of the little pumpkin. And now I'm gonna glue that one. So here it is. You're done. Aren't they so beautiful? I am so in love with them. You can also put them on candlesticks. That would look really nice too. So here they are. I displayed them on my dining table and they look so pretty. I hope you like this DIY. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.